Hello, guys. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, we're about to start it. We're about to get started. So, you know, so this is a live forex trading, guys. Been a while, but today I'm back, man. I am back. Oh yeah. Hope you guys are doing good. How you all doing? Um, okay. So this is live forex trading, guys, and I welcome each and every one of you. You know. So today being 14th of March 2022, we are coming here live and direct. So I think it's even up to a month or something like that. When last we did our what do you call it? Our live session, right? Is over a month. So but today we are back here trying to do the same thing, right? I mean, trying to do same um what do you call it now, same live session, right? Okay, guys, so yeah, there are some couple of things that I want to really look at this week, because today is Monday and no need for me to be jumping in and out of trade. So you know I was just trying to check out my previous week's performance and things like that. So you can see one of them here, and also GBP JPY. I think GBP JPY just hit our final take profit and boom, later went down to the downside. Let me go to Forex. Right, I think that's what happened on GJ GBP JPY on FXCM. That's what I used. Okay, so you guys can see, right, after 180 take profit hit, boom, GJ flew to the downside again for another almost 400, and yeah, 410 pips. So you can just say 400 pips. That was crazy, right? So how did I know that GJ is going to start to sell right here, like after hitting my take profit? And why does decide to just set my take profit right here? There are some certain things that I put into consideration, guys, before I do that, right? So Peter Lee is saying, let's go, man. How are you doing? How are you doing? Yeah. So I just decided to come here live and direct today before the week begins, right? Very important, so that we can know what are the things that I am personally expecting from the market this week, right? And of course, you guys know that this Ukraine and Russia war, is actually affecting the market, because there is lots of sanctions, lots of banning, and a lot of things like that. So it's affecting USD currency, and also is affecting ruble, and as well as gold and some of these exotic pairs, right? I mean, some of these indexes not exotic. So it is very important for you to keep in mind that anything can happen. So that's why it's very good to do fundamental analysis as well. You can see right here, I usually check my news and see what actually is going on and things like that. And also this live news that is going on, you can never tell what actually is going to happen. So whatever happens, it happens, right? Like all this attack on Ukraine, sanctions and things like that, they don't actually announce it, but some of the fundamentals that had been announced, you can see them right here in front of you, right? So you can just analyze this and know what exactly is going to happen in the market. But when it comes to this war, definitely, even me myself, I don't actually know what is going to happen in few minutes or few hours. It depends on what they are doing, right? So all we do is we just do what is you call it, we just do analysis and we follow the update, right? Very, very important. Okay, so Universal Content TV is saying, let's go, Israel. I just need 3 short trade this week, this whole week. Okay, all right, that's good. If you are in our VIP or premium channel, definitely you participate in taking this a 3 short trade, because I actually send it to them. So very, very important. If you are in there, definitely you have to participate, because I do share all of my trade with them, like everything. So I share with them. All right, let's continue, guys. So you can see we have some sort of high news here. Retail sales YOY, which is going to be for euro. So, and this is a high trade, high expectation on this news, right? That's what they are saying. But you have to carry out your analysis before you be able to know either you are expecting a high expectation or you're expecting a low expectation on this very trade, right? Okay, guys. So the main point, or the main reason why we are doing this is we want to do a London session live trading, right? London session is going to open in about 6 minutes from now. So let's see what the market is going to have for us, guys. Okay, so yeah, so GJ right now, since London session is about to open, so we have to consider GJ as well, right? So GJ right now is trying to is pushing to the upside, rather is pushing to the upside, not trying to. So you can see from here I have my trend line, right? Trend line going up and things like that. But anyways, let me just try to delete all of this drawing and restart or redraw my support and resistance and things like that as well. So let's start and let me see what this is having for us. Okay, so you guys can see that first touch, second touch, and third touch on this very downtrending trend line, right? So you all know how we do our analysis and things like that. Of course, you can go down to the daily time frame and take what exactly is happening, or you can continue to do that on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so you can see we have a lot of things here, guys. We have something here which is acting as resistance, but I'm not gonna put that right here on the daily time frame. So what I'm going to do now is that I will just do something like this, put my major support and resistance on this daily time frame. Then I have something right here. Yeah, there's something like right there. So now let me go down to the 4-hour time frame and check what's happening. So you guys can see what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, okay, perfect. So now if this particular pair being GBP JPY is going to go down to the downside, this is where my final target is going to be. Remember, we plotted this on the daily time frame, right? This support and resistance, it is being plotted on the daily time frame. Yeah, so okay, now there's no any other thing that I'm supposed to do, but there's one thing that I'm seeing, guys. You can see right here we have that. Okay, so this is 4-hour time frame, so I have to change the color to 4-hour time frame color so that I can know exactly what's happening, right? So you see that this is a 1-hour time frame, so now let me put my resistance area. So that's my resistance zone and this is my support zone, right? Let me delete one, put it right there. That's another support level. So whenever time this got broken, definitely the market is going to go down to the downside. But without this getting broken, I'm not regarding this as my next target, right? So let's see what is going to happen. But other than that, guys, we still have lots of things going on, I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. And of course, if you need we need more weekly recap. Okay, all right, we'll try and do that. Lately, guys, I've been busy, quite busy with different stuffs and things like that. It is what it is. But that I can never use that as an excuse, right? No excuses. So now I'm just trying to squeeze myself in so that I can just come live here on YouTube, do a lot of things and things like that, guys. But believe me, definitely this year or next year, we are going like completely on YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, and everything. We are going to go fully on them. What I mean is that I'm not going to just be okay live streaming today and not live streaming tomorrow, live streaming next tomorrow and not live streaming the other day and things like that. So what I'm going to be doing is I will just be doing it constantly and be consistent enough, because right now I'm not consistent no more, guys, because I got a lot of things going on here, because I've told you guys that um I actually invest in real estate, and I have some real estate properties and things like that. So my days are kind of occupied by that for now. So if I get profit in Forex, I invest it right there. So that's why you see me. I'm just trying to squeeze myself in so that I can just do multiple things at the same time, right? But of course, I'm not going to be finding it very easy, but I'm trying to see how I can do and how I can go about them, right? It's very, very important. But believe me, guys, we are developing a team. So by this time, either next year or before this year runs out, definitely we are supposed to go fully on YouTube and any other social media handles that I have, right? So that's what is just going on right now, guys. Okay, so yeah, now London market has been open, so let's see what London session has for us, guys. So let's get started with whatever that's gonna happen. But right now, guys, I'm trying to see if you can sell this pair being GJ, but I'm seeing a sell. To be honest with you guys, I'm seeing a sell on it, because right now GJ is trying to play out very nicely right here at my trend line, right? And of course, you guys can see that this is a previous support level and now it's turning into resistance. So that's another thing that we have to put into consideration. And of course, we still have another level right from here. So let me just mark this out very well, or the most touches possible, like that. So let me put my trend line from bottom to the top. You guys can see what's going on here. So it's not trying to go back up to the upside, but there's another level here as well. There's another level here, right there, like that. So yeah, guys, so let me calculate how many pips is this going to be so that I can know my risk to reward ratio. Okay, 143. Yeah, that's going to be a decent target zone. So this is going to be on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I'm trying to set out everything, guys, so that it can play out for us. So our stop loss is gonna be right above this trend line, because once this trend line is broken, guys, definitely this particular market is going to continue to push back up to the upside. But as of now, let's see. Yeah, 50 pips, not bad. Let it just be there's no way to put the stop loss, guys, but I believe whenever time that this trend line broken, definitely see where the support level is, I mean the resistance zone is. So our stop loss is supposed to be above this area, guys, but I don't want us to risk much on this very trade, because if you say let our stop loss be above this, it's gonna be like almost 90 pips, it's 90 pips, and that's very, very high. That's much. So I don't want it to be much like that. You guys can see, 90 pips to make 140 pips is not up to 1 to 2, and the least I go for is 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. But right now I'm not saying 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. If I sell, we should risk these 90 pips. You can see it's just 1 to 1.56, and the minimum or the least I go for is 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, right? So nah, don't put your stop loss right above that, because let it just be above the support level. There's another support level here, right here, another support level. So let your stop loss be above that. So 50 pips, not bad to make 140. Yeah, so let's see, that's it. So to make 140 pips, yeah, not bad guys, not bad actually. Okay, so this is GJ. I'm trying to set a movement for this particular pair, being GBP JPY. You can see what's happening right here live and direct with you guys. So yeah, the market is at my resistance zone. This is a resistance level guys, and we are about to execute this very trade. We're about to sell it, but let's see, seems the market is about to just break out of this structure. But let's see what is going to happen. You can see it has been rejected this area, so let's see what is going to happen guys, and let me check if we have any news on GBP pairs. Very, very important. My show is saying hello. Yeah, hi. Good morning everyone. Any opportunity to work with or for your team, we'll be very grateful. Oh, that's nice, man. That's nice. I have a question. Structure seems to be in an uptrend. Still Israel. You mean for GJ? Are you talking for GJ? Because GJ right now overall is going to the downside. If you check this trend line that we plotted earlier on the 1 hour time frame, I think, or 4 hours, something like that. So but right now guys, I'm about to sell GJ. Let's sell GJ for now. Let me go to my account and sell GJ. I'm selling GJ guys. I'm selling GJ right now, like no doubts about it. Selling it. I just sold GJ. Let's see what is gonna happen guys in few minutes. Yeah, in few minutes. Yeah guys, I just sold GJ around price 153.353. That's where I sold GJ because of spread, because of spread. That's why you see that it varies, right? Spread is kind of high right now on GJ, so 153.353. Yeah, that's my entry point. Let me set it right here, 353. 353. Where is it? Let me see. 375. 353. 352. Okay, so I just sold GJ guys around this price, because of spread. That's why you see that the entry point is somehow, so it's because of spread guys. Anyway, I just sold GJ around that price, so let me lock that so that I can know it is my entry point, right? Let me go down to 1 hour time frame so I can set my stop loss, take profit, and things like that properly, since I'm officially in GJ. Let me just update my students so that they can know I just got into on this trade. Okay, I sold GBP, JPY around price 153.353. So that's it. I just sold it and updated everybody, about the free students, the paid one, everything. So remain to update them about take profit and things like that, guys. So it is what it is. Yeah, we don't just want to go greedy, but let's go for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, guys. 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, because this one is almost 1 to 3. We said 50 stop loss, so let's see. Let's just go for 100 pips, guys. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy, because if you are greedy, the market might just finish you. So you can see where these are support level is here. So let's use that as our target, right? And let's forget about this area. So let's just use this. Okay, guys, so let me tag this as Israel the trader analysis. Very, very important, so that all those people that used to scam some traders will not be able to copy this and start to deceive people that okay, it is their analysis and stuff like that. I have different people that complain to me about that, guy, saying that they've paid somebody money and thinking that it's me, whereby it's not me, right? So I'm trying as much as I can to avoid that, because I don't want it, or I don't want a situation whereby people are using my name to fraud others, right? It is not cool. So I personally don't like it. So whatever I don't like people to do to me, I don't do that to do to other people as well. So that's just how it's supposed to be. But this time around, people tend to do whatever they want, So let's see that I just sold this particular pair, guys, and of course I will be updating you on whatever that happens. So yeah, just a reminder, guys, I forgot to tell you guys earlier, if today is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, because that's the only way you can support us right here on YouTube. Just give the video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. That's just it. It's simple, it does not cost you nothing, and it is free of charge. So that's why I'm coming here live and direct to give you guys all these trade alerts, and stuff like that. So right now I just took this particular pair being GBP JPY, so and now we are selling this very trade, right? And of course I'll keep on monitoring this trade, guys, to know what exactly is happening. If this particular zone got broken, which is this here around price 153.00, definitely will not consider that as our move to the downside, right? Very, 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 very important. So like I said, I'll keep on monitoring this particular pair and update you guys whatever that is happening on GG, right? So right now, guys, let me did I screenshot this? I don't know. So let me screenshot that and send it to you guys, so that I can just mark my before and after later, after everything play out according to our current analysis, right? Very, very important. So try to share it with you guys. Okay, so yeah, boom, just share that so you guys can just take note of what exactly is happening, right? Very, very important. And also another thing, guys, make sure you are doing your analysis and things like that as well. Don't just because Israel say buy this, sell this, buy this, sell this, and you blindly buy or sell without you knowing what I'm risking and things like that. Of course, right here on this particular trade, I've told you guys that I'm risking 50 pips to make 100 pips, right? So that's 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So you guys can always check that. So 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, it is the least that I go for whenever time I'm doing all these sort of things. So of course you yourself too, you can do that. But except if you don't want to be a profitable trader, you can decide to say, nah, Israel, I can go for 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Believe me, bro, if you go for 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio, definitely you are going to be a losing trader, not a profitable trader. The market is just gonna be getting your ass off without knowing what exactly you are doing, right? So let me just not talk much, guys. Let me say our stop loss and take profit, first TP, second TP, and final take profit. Very, very important, yeah. So yeah, you can see that the market is moving according to how we planned, and that's how we do it, man. That's how we do it. Once you know what you are doing here, oh my goodness, you are going to be like eating and eating and eating and eating. That's why it is very, very important for you to join um our premium group chat. Of course, right now we are on discount. You can use that to join. So let me say the final take profit, stop loss, and things like that. So first TP is for 30 pips, and it is around price 153.049. That's 30 pips. Then second take profit for 50 pips, that's gonna be around price 152.847. 152.847. Then I'm setting my take profits, guys, along the way. The final take profit is 152.350, and stop loss is around price I'm coming. Hold on, guys. Don't worry, I'll still copy everything and paste it here so that you guys can see what are the parameters for stop loss, take profit, and things like that. Yeah. So now the stop loss for 50 pips is around price 153.857. That's it, and it is for minus 50 pips. Yeah. So the entry point is 153.353. So GBP JPY sell. Boom. I just send it to my premium students. Sending it to VIP now. Boom. Just send it to VIP. So now I'm sending it to the free Telegram channel. Boom. I just did that, guys. So yeah, let's get it, bro. Let's go, man. We are going to eat off of this trade today, guys. I know that. Like, I definitely know. Definitely, we must eat off of this. If you are Nigerian, we go chop, man. We go chop. If you are Nigerian like me, we go chop, bro. We know the joke here at all. Like, we know to use this team play. So don't mind me, guys. I'm off like Nigerian Cameroonian. Half of me is Cameroon, half of me is Nigeria. So that's why it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So I'm not Yoruba, I'm not Hausa, I'm not Igbo. So if I tell you my main language, you'll not be able to know. But thank you. I understand if you come with Yoruba, I'm there. But if I'm in Nigeria here, I am what it is. I can call I'm Yoruba and so on. But nevertheless, just forget about that. Okay, so let me copy the parameters so that you guys can use it. Yeah, so that you guys can use it. Let me paste that right here. Don't panic, guys. Be it stop loss, be it take profit, it is what it is. Know how much you are risking on this very trade. So like me right now, I risk about 2% of my account. So if this particular trade should hit stop loss, I'm okay. But for risking 2%. I'm okay if I lose 2%, that's just it. But if you are not okay by risking that, definitely don't even trade. Don't even trade. Don't even trade. I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying. So yeah, let's try to make this bold enough so that you guys will not use eyeglasses, right? To check this, what's happening here and things like that. You should be able to see what exactly I put. So let me just mark these levels out. So the first TP is around price 153.04049. Yeah, that's it right there. So I'm going to change the color to white as my take profit. Then second TP is around price 152.847. 847, is that so? 847, what am I doing? Yeah, that's it. And boom, of course, final take profit is right here. Yeah, so yeah, this is GJ right now, and we are how many pips in profit? We are about -4 pips, -5 pips. So we are -5 pips on this trade, guys. It is what it is. So let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen in a few minutes. So yeah, somebody says after 50 pips profit, I will move my stop loss to entry point. 100%, bro. 100%. Move your stop loss to break even once. Oh, somebody say your accent doesn't sound Nigerian. Lol. Yeah, that's for sure, man. Some people are commenting on my YouTube channel. Nah, Israel, this is not how you talk. This is how you need. Blah 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 and stuff like that. Definitely, I'm not 100% Nigerian. So that's the reality. Let me just try to let you guys know about it. So I'm Cameroonian, Nigerian, and stuff like that. So, but right now, I stay in Nigeria. So of course I am Nigerian. So I try as much as I can. See, in fact, even what is you call it, even pidgin English, I don't understand it that much before because we don't speak it in my village, right? We don't speak pidgin or whatsoever. If you are familiar with Cameroon, you know how it goes out there. We speak French, and we have our own native language as well. So French is more of like our general language, since it's France that colonized us. So that's why it's seeming I'm not that fluent enough, even in pidgin and stuff like that. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So yeah, let's go. Okay, Peter Lee is saying after 50. Yeah, for sure, man, for sure. Yeah. Just after 50 pips stop take profit, you move your stop loss to entry point, which is break even, right? So these are first trade of the week and first trade of the day. So yeah, we are going to go down and look out for more trade to take. As you guys know that, okay, I just take about 1 to 3 trade in a day. So if I take like 1 trade, and if I see another potential a good setup, then I will just get into that particular trade again and trade it. But if I take like 3 trades a day, be it stop loss hit or take profit hit, definitely I'm not trading for the day again. I'll just take a step back and wait for the next day, because I can't just be having like my first trade stop loss hit, second trade stop loss hit, and things like that, and continue to trade. I don't do that. So it's better for me to have a specific number that I can trade, that I can take, so that I can know my limits and stuff like that. Okay, guys, so we'll go down and of course, if you have any question, guys, you can just let me know so that I can just answer you and things like that. So yeah, just ask me any question and we'll answer you. That's just how it is. So right now we are in Yeah, minus 9 pips, guys. So it is what it is. It is what it is, man. Minus 9 pips. I remember our stop loss is about what is it call it? Our stop loss is about 50 pips. I'm trying to do multiple things at the same time, guys. So okay, hello, bro. I'm on YouTube right now. Can you tell me if I want one-on-one session? Is possible and how much? Okay. All right. I was trying to answer someone, guys. Um, okay. Yeah, it's all good. Boom. I just answered the person. So the person said he's watching live and direct right now. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to you guys. Um, okay. Okay, somebody's saying USD JPY. Yeah. We'll go and check USD JPY. All right. So yeah, guys, don't forget to um I'm coming. Hold on, guys. Yeah, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, and also, follow our channels and things like that. Okay, this is our free Telegram channel, guys. You can just do that by subscribing or by joining. It's free of charge, 100% free. You don't have to pay nothing to join this particular channel. So you just join it so that you'll be getting an update from me and things like that. This is my Telegram channel, and also all the links to my social media handles are down in the description of this video, right? You can see that on Twitter, on Instagram, and of course on Telegram. You can follow us on all of them: Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, and our YouTube channel, right? Very, very important. So yeah, you can do that, guys, right now before it is too late, right? So we might put them on private and things like that. So yeah, that's that about GJ, guys. I sold GJ, so my target is 100 pips. So let's see what GJ is gonna have for us. And of course, right now it has broken out of the trend line that I was saying. Well, let's see. One thing with me is that once I get into any trade, I don't easily get out of it. I don't easily get out of it. So you can see minus 12 pips now. Let's see what GJ is having for us. Yeah. So let me mark this out as my first TP, second TP, and things like that, so that I can just know where my levels are. So this is gonna be first TP. This is first TP. Then let me go down and put second TP here. Second TP. What am I typing? This is second TP. All right. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's that. And of course, that is our final take profit. Let me just indicate that so that we can all know that that's the final TP, right? This is the final TP. So yeah, we have everything set up now, guys. We have everything on the screen. So like I said, I risked about 2% of my account right now on this trade. So if this trade should hit my stop loss, if I'm trading with $10,000 account, I'm going to lose like $200. So I know how much I'm going to be losing, right? And of course, if I'm trading with like maybe $100,000, I'm going to lose like $2,000 if it is 100 USD, right? So I mean, if it is 100K. So that's that. So let me go down and check what you guys are saying in the comment section, right? Very, very important. So somebody is saying you okay, yeah, I've read that. Oh, I have a brother here. Bonjour, mon frère. Okay. Yeah, I speak French, man. I speak it. But Israel, I'm very serious with working with all for your team, so please let me know. Backstage the plan. Okay, all right. We'll talk about that. We'll talk more about that. Like right now, we're about to get an office. We are trying to set everything up and things like that. So once we finalize everything, guys, I'm even going to announce it on my channels, be it YouTube, be it Telegram, Instagram, and whatsoever. I will definitely announce everything, guys. Everything. You are going to get an update about all those things. So just just keep it. Just keep it. So yeah, Boss Israel, okay, I've read that. Somebody get bro USD JPY. Okay, we'll try to check USD JPY. And Peter Lee is saying that let's do CAD JPY analysis. Yeah, we'll try to do CAD JPY analysis as well. Very, very important. Can we analyze another pair? Yeah, for sure, man, for sure. Let's go down to USD JPY. Since that's what you guys are asking, or since that's what, who is the person that asked of that? I don't know that person. Gabriel Omoni. Is that the name? Gabriel Omoni. So that's it. USD JPY. Let's go. Ray is here. Good morning, good morning, good morning, sir. It's been a long, 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 long time, Been a long time. You just disappear, Psh, you just disappear. Thank you for coming back and checking on us today. Yeah, let's go down to check USD JPY, guys, without wasting no time. USD JPY. USD JPY, manipulation needs to happen on that particular pair, guys. Like lots of manipulation. Let me go down to 4 hour time frame real quick so that I can know what is happening. Yeah. Haha. USD JPY. Oh my goodness. USD JPY flew to heaven. You flew to heaven, guys. This is a 4 hour time frame, and what I'm saying is, it flew to heaven. Oh my goodness! What? Let me go down to daily time frame to check out what's happening here, because I can't actually believe what's going on UJ. Oh, UJ is approaching a resistance area here. If you guys consider, one thing with me is that if you are doing your analysis, guys, always refer to the left hand side and know what actually had happened in the past, because the market always repeat itself. It repeat itself, guys. That's just one thing about forex trading. It's not a magic. It's not magic. You can see this. It is a previous resistance area, so you can see what's going on here. So it's similar thing that is going to happen. You can see from here, push to the downside. So we might see another pullback to the downside right here as well. It's more of like double top formation on the daily time frame. So, but before that, let me just plot my major support and resistance, guys. Very, very important here. So remember, this is daily time frame, and I'm going to plot my major support and resistance like this. So maximum of 5. That's how I do it. If you are familiar with how I trade, maximum of 5 support and resistance on the daily time frame. So, but I'm going to stop at 4 because I didn't find much things interesting right there. You can see on the 4 hour time frame, still corresponding, right? Still corresponding positively. So I'm just going to neglect this and put another support level right here. Yeah, so this time I'm going to change the color to 4 hour time frame color so that you can know what exactly is happening. So you guys see that, right? Very, very important. Just let me know. Okay, I was trying to reply to somebody, guys. So what about GJ? What's happening on GJ now? Okay, guys. So GJ is trying to go back up to the upside. We are, we are still like 10 pips. Yeah. We are still minus 11 pips now. So no problem. Just say your stop loss, take profit, and things like that. You are good to go. So yeah, I'm trying to do analysis on USD JPY, guys, so that we can know exactly what we are expecting on UJ. Very, very important, yeah. So this is my major support and resistance. I'm going to just focus on whatever that is happening within this channel on this particular pair being USD JPY, right? So you can see my major support and resistance. I just plotted them. There's another one right here. Let me put it. Hopefully you guys know how to plot support and resistance, right? Because let it not just be as if I'm just doing magic, all of these things and things like that here. I'm not doing magic, guys. I'm just putting support and resistance at the one that is touching the most possible, right? So there's another one right here. So that one is still another key level. So yeah, what I'm saying on UJ is that it will definitely complete this move to this point before I will see a retracement to the downside. Yeah, so now I would say don't enter this trade. This is 90 pips anyway, but if you should enter this trade now, it's too high, guys. It's too high, so I'm not recommending for you to get into this trade and trade it. Nah, don't do that, because the risk is very, very high. So nowhere for you to set your stop loss and things like that. This is just a breakout movement. So after it creates some sort of reversal candlestick patterns right here or here, definitely we cannot consider it as it's going to go down to the downside, right? But as of now, it is very, very risky. So I would not recommend you guys to get into this trade right at the moment, because there is no entry point, guys. So no need for you to trade this and do any other thing. No need for you to trade this, because I'm seeing that it is not a good setup, guys. So let me grab some water and so I can just straight hydrolyze, right? I mean, is it hydrolyze, something like that? Okay. So yeah, I kept on monitoring what is it called, this stuff, oh my goodness, kind of forgot this, cryptocurrency. I do monitor cryptocurrency, guys, because I used to invest in cryptocurrency. Last time, we bought lots of things here. So of course I do monitor that as well. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on USD JPY, guys. Is there any question before we continue? Who asked Gabriel? Is there any question? Any question? Do let me know. And of course, like I said earlier on, guys, you can join our free Telegram channel. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook. All the links to my social media handles are down in the description of this video, so you just follow them and let's stay connected on all of my social media handles. So yeah, I don't know, Gabriel, you still have more question about this? No. Okay, that's good. Okay, boss. And always say, yeah, that's good, sir. That's good. And you're welcome. I appreciate it. So Euro, GBP, and gold. Okay, we're trying to check that as well. CAD JPY analysis. Okay. We're trying to do CAD JPY now, because CAD JPY comes before the Euro, GBP, and gold. So let's go down to check JPY analysis. I believe JPY is supposed to be buying or trying to sell now. Let me see, because I did the analysis last week. Yeah. So yeah, of course, you can see my analysis last week. Broken, boom. So my expectation on this was that CJ was supposed to start selling again to this point. That was my expectation, but it did not completely sell. So it stopped right here now. It's pushed back up to the upside. So let's see. Oh, so now it might start to sell, guys, because things are getting interesting. Let me see something. This for let me go down to daily. Let me delete all the previous what am I doing, all the previous drawing. So okay, this is JPY daily time frame. Boom, I'm seeing a trend line on this daily time frame. Yeah, that's a trend line. So this is daily time frame trend line, guys. So you can see how I just point out this trend line, right? Yeah. So one thing would, if you are a professional trader, once you see a chart, guys, you will be able to know what exactly is going on that very chart. So it's more of like instant stuff. You just know what exactly is happening, and boom, you know where the market direction is going to go next, right? So like me right now, I'm just trying to plot my major support and resistance, and I have another one right there. So I am done on the daily time frame. So let me go down to the 4 hour time frame and see what exactly is happening right there. So this is 4 hour. So I'll focus on 1, 2, 3, and of course I'm not going to focus on this for now because that's the daily time frame resistance, right? But I'm going to focus on this one. So yeah, what I'm saying is that the market is trying to break out of here, right? But I'm seeing some sort of candlestick pattern forming, things like that. So let's see what is going to happen right here, guys. So now, no need for you to get into this trade as well. You can see it is at the resistance level. So no need for you to get in right now. So you have to wait for some sort of movement to happen. Oh, I'm supposed to do something, guys. Oh my goodness, kind of forgot about that. Excuse me, guys, just hold on. Okay. Sorry, guys, let me try to do something. I'm supposed to do this some minutes ago, but I was not able to. Let me just use this time to do it because it's very important for me. Just give me a few minutes. Few minutes, guys. As I do this, just give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give this video a thumbs up so that I can know that you guys like what I'm doing here, right? Very, very important. So let's see. Trying to do one or two things, guys. So yeah, just subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share with your friends and family. That's all we ask from you. That's all we ask from you, guys. So just do that. you know okay. 371. Okay, got it. All right, guys, I'm done. So yeah, thank you very much for waiting. Yeah, as I was saying, let's wait for this particular resistance area to completely break to the upside like that. And of course, failure to do that definitely is gonna go down to the downside. So this is about 80 pips. Okay, let's see what is gonna happen, guys. So if this very candle, of course, is gonna close in about 1 hour something. If it closes below this resistance area, definitely the market is then going to go down to the downside before it's going to push back up to the upside, right? But let's see what this particular candle is going to have for us. Let's go down to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so 1 hour time frame is trying to push back up to the upside. So like me personally, again, I will not trade this particular pair, guys. I will not trade it until when I have completely a good move. Let me see card. Okay, 45 minutes, 43 seconds. We are gonna have news in about few seconds from now, guys. So and all is going to be Euro news. It's going to be a Euro news. So let's see. 19 seconds left, 18 seconds, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay. So the expectation previous is this. Okay, that means it's negative. We are seeing a negative trade, so it's worse than expected. That means euro GJ is supposed to sell as well. It's supposed to go down, because if euro is selling, definitely that's supposed to go down. Let me see. No, it's not a high impact news anyway. Well, let's see. Let me see. Okay, so it is what it is, guys. Trying to push GJ as well to the upside. So we are still 12 pips, minus 12 pips. So yeah, it is what it is. Still minus 12 pips on GJ, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on CAD JPY. So this is CAD JPY right now. And like I said, don't buy this trade for now. So when it closes below this my resistance area around price 92.184, once the market closes below that, definitely I'm going to be interested in selling rather than buying, right? I'm going to be interested in selling to this point than buying the trade. So, and of course, how many pips is that going to be? Let's see. It's gonna be for like 200 plus pips. So 200 pips is still okay if you know what you are doing, right? So yeah, do you have any question on this before we proceed? Like I said, we are only in GJ. I personally took GJ, so, and of course I'm in negative 12 pips right now, minus 12 pips. So if it is a stop loss, I'll take profit. I'm going to be recording this this week's trade, guys. So for the couple of weeks now, I was not able to record none of my trades. So we'll see what is going to happen, So yeah, somebody says that Euro GBP and gold. Okay, we're trying to check Euro GBP as well and gold. So yeah, do you have any question about CAD JPY? Peter Lee, I think Peter Lee, you are in our premium group chat, right? You are a premium member. I think so, because yeah, you are a premium member. I know you. So the Bible says, "My sheep know me," and I know them as well. So I know you guys by name. So that's it. I know you. Okay, wait, that's perfect, sir. Yeah, that's good. Now P. All right. So let's go and check out for So you guys can see it's trying to go back inside this zone again. Like I said, if it closes below this area, definitely, I personally will be interested in selling this pair being CAD JPY than buying it, right? So that's it. And I don't know what you're gonna be doing, So that's it, man. That's it. So minus 9 pips now on GJ. Minus 9 pips. So let me just check out GJ. What's happening on GJ? Very important, guys. You guys know that we just sold this GJ. So it is what it is. You guys can see it's still moving. So you guys can see what's happening, yeah? It's getting back inside my resistance level. So let's see what is gonna happen in a few minutes, right? In a few minutes, we'll see what is gonna happen. So is minus 9 pips now, I guess, yeah. Minus 9 pips or something like that. Yeah, minus 9 pips. You guys can see minus 9 pips on GJ. So like I said, be it stop loss hit, take profit hit, I'm okay with it, because that's the mindset of trader. That's my mindset. I don't know about you, but that's how I trade, guys. Stop loss or take profit, I'm okay, but I'll never leave my losing trade to exceed my winning trade, because I can maybe take a loss here now. Even if I take 2 losses and 1 winning trade, definitely I'll make sure I cover those losses. That's just it. Guys. So yeah, before we come back here, let's check out Euro GBP. Euro GBP is supposed to be buying. Yeah, it's supposed to be buying. Let's see. Yeah, like I said, it's supposed to be buying. You guys can see, boom. It bought to the upside. Okay. Let me go down for you guys can see 1 hour time frame. This is daily time frame. This is daily time frame, guys. So let's see. Nah, the trend line is not supposed to start from there. Let it start from here. So you can see this is daily time frame. So it approaches this, and definitely we'll start to expect this market to go down to the downside now, guys. Yeah, for sure. Let me finish this. You can see that. Let me put my major support and resistance. So let me go down to 4 hour time frame. So this is 4 hour, and I remember this trend line, we plotted it on the daily time frame. Yeah, so now I'll put another one here, and this is 4 hour. So that means if this particular pair being Euro GBP break out of this trend line again, it's gonna come up to this level before it's going to sell, right? And it has a potentiality of creating what we refer as head and shoulders pattern. Then to now make something like this, yeah, then come up again to maybe around here before it's going to continue to go down. If it gives us a move like this, it is a perfect way of selling. So but here it might go down to the downside according to this particular trend line if it reacts to it, right? So let's see where this particular retracement that is coming right now is going to end, right? So if it ends inside this trend line, definitely the market is going to continue to push down to the downside. But if it decides to break out, then this area is going to be the next resistance zone. So yeah, there's not much entry point this morning, guys, during this London session. There's not much entry point, so let's just wait and see what is going to happen, Okay, so yeah, Peter Lee is saying I am premium. I am already on CardJPY for a so that's good, man. That's good. I'm happy that we are doing same analysis, right? That's one thing with premium membership, guys. So you can see, as I knew he just wanted to confirm that is he correct in a sell or things like that. Not that he didn't know what he's doing, right? So now you can see the analysis came correct. So that's it, man. Shout out to you, bro. Thank you very much. So I really appreciate your support, your everything. I appreciate it, man. So let me just check the card GPY. Yeah, just wait. It's going to sell, bro. It's going to sell. So that's it. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Do you have any question about Euro GBP? I just did the analysis and thinking that okay, it's for me or something like that. Where is Euro GBP? Do you have any question before I proceed? Do you have any question? Who is the person that asked about that? We're gonna confirm that. Okay, universal content. I think you're the one that asked that. Yeah. So, any question about Euro GBP? Because my time is up here, guys. So I would have to go and do another thing as well. Okay. I'll have to go and attend to one or two things. So, but first of all, do you have any question? Any question of the day? Of course, today, guys, I'm going to be trading. So let's see what is gonna happen. Any question? Any question? Let's look at Euro JPY. All right. Euro JPY. What do you have for us? But I think universal, you don't have any more question, right? Because you just mute. I don't know what's happening. So GJ is trying to get out of hand. So it's about negative 18 pips now. Yeah, negative 18 pips. So let's see what is gonna happen on that. Euro JPY. Yeah, Euro JPY is trying to buy 4-hour time frame. I'm seeing a trend line here. You can see that it has broken out of the trend line. So yeah, it's trying to push back up to the upside. So that means, okay, let me check something on fundamentals. There's no GBP news. Okay, only one. I think it's low. So okay. There's euro. Yeah, euro is trying to be strong, guys. That's why it's pushing to the upside, and GPY is trying to be weak. So now we are going to, we might change our mindset on GJ. We might change but let's see what happens. Let me see. You can see what is happening. Like I said, it has broken out of the trend line now. So GJ is about you can see minus 19 pips now. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. But definitely what I'm saying is it has broken out of this trend line, so not trying to get back inside again. But of course I'm just I got into this trade with the mindset of losing 2% of my account. So whatever that happens here, guys, happens. But let's see if it breaks out of this, definitely I'll consider it as a losing trade and I might just manually close it. But let's see what is going to happen around this my resistance level, right? So far it's not able to break out of this. I'm still going to hold this trade and see what's going to happen, right? And of course right now I'm still in it. Still in it for now, guys. Still in it. Let's see what's going to happen. Few hours from now or few minutes from now. That's it. All right. So don't panic, guys. No panicking. Don't panic. This is forex trading. So 70 pips now. This is forex trading. No need to panic. Just control your emotion. Control your emotion. So that's it. Let's check Euro JPY. Yeah, what I'm saying is Euro JPY might push to the upside. That is what I'm saying on this analysis. But other than that, it must break out of this very zone, guys. Let me mark this out. So it's have to break out of this before I can regard it as a valid buy to the upside. Other than that, it's going to go down for like 130 something. So yeah, we might see a retracement on this to go back down to retest this very line again before it's going to continue to push back up to the upside. Else it break out of price 129.039. until when it break out of 129.039 before I can consider it as a valid buy to the upside. But as of now, don't buy it and don't sell it until when it comes to this level and created some sort of candlestick patterns before you can now sell it to the downside. But as of now, don't do it. Yeah, as of now, don't do it and don't do it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that brings us to the end of today's live trading. So, and of course we were not able to find out a very good setups or entry point to get into this to some of the trade today. So but we just took GBP JPY, and of course I'm still holding GJ. So let's see what is going to happen on GJ in a few minutes from now or a few hours from now, so that I'll keep on updating you guys on whatever that happens right here on this particular trade, right? Very important. So yeah, once more again, I'm still Israel the trader and I'm signing out now, guys. So if you have any question, this is the right time for you to ask me before I officially sign out of this live streaming, and I'll just see you guys next time during New York session, right? I will still come here either live or whatsoever to check out for what's happening on in the market during New York session. So once more again, I'm still Israel the trader, and of course if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe right now and also share this video with your friends and family. Also don't forget to don't forget to follow our social media handles: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also our free Telegram channel. I share a lot of amazing stuff right there, guys. So yeah, just do that right now and I appreciate it. So thank you very much. I'm gonna see you next time, guys. Signing out, man.